How to make tables in Canva. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about, so I will show you how you can customize your table, how you can insert your table, how you can change row size, insert the row columns and everything. So let's start with the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva app. So let me take one blank page like presentation. Okay, so here you can insert the Canva, sorry, the templates. Okay, so what you need to do, just select the page, go to the elements and search for tables. So you can see the all tables here, see the all tables, you can see the all table style. Okay, now you can simply select the any table which you want. So just, okay, I just take this one. So now you can click on this logo or options, select and hold it, and you can move easily table within your design. Okay, now here you can see there is a, when you click any columns, side columns, you can see the three dot options. You can click on it and you can, here you can see the lots of options. You can make copy of columns, you can make duplicates, you can delete the tables, you can lock the tables. Here you can add the columns. Okay, you can add the rows. Okay, add rows, add columns. You can select that columns like this, hit the shift key and select multiple cell like this. Now you can go here and change the color of these columns, make the line. Okay, double click on any cell and you can write your text. Okay, you can resize the table like this. Okay, you have to just hit the shift button, hold it, and now you can resize. So it will be resized without changing ratio. You can see you need to hit the shift key on your keyboard, hold it. Now you can easily resize the that table without changing the ratio. Okay, and here you can see a lot of options. You can delete column. If you want to make duplicate this table, just click on duplicate. The table will be duplicate like this. Okay, for resizing you have to just select the table, hit the shift key and resize. Okay, don't resize the table without holding the shift key. Okay, now I will show you another options like, okay, you can click on any line of columns and you can drag it and you can minimize or maximize the size individually. Okay, or you can simply just select all, select the first cell, then hit the shift key, then select the last cell. Now you can able to minimize, maximize the cell, column or row size all at once. Okay, so it will be helpful you. First you need to select the all table. Okay, so that is how you can make the table in Canva. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.